Hi guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with my man Ian in the background. Say hi, Ian.
How you doing?
Today we're working on a special vehicle. Isn't it, Ian?
It's a very special vehicle.
Ian likes it. We get often asked, can you guys do diagnosis? And is that something your shop does? Of course.
Absolutely.
Of course it's something we do. Of course it's something we love to do. Isn't that right, Ian?
Absolutely.
We love it. It's great. And today we had a special one, and we're going to show you and share with you as to why. So, Ian, take it away.
Well, come on inside.
There we are inside.
So today in this very special Cadillac, we are replacing a power glove box release electrical solenoid.
So why do we have the center dash console apart?
Well, because the way Cadillac has designed this vehicle, to replace the electrical solenoid, which is actually mounted on the back side of the glove compartment housing, which is in behind here, you actually have to remove the trim here and the trim here because they're all interlaced and intertwined and connected to each other. So to actually remove the glove compartment, which has several screws here and then several screws behind this piece of trim here, it is quite a bit of disassembly.
And how does it work?
Well, there's this button right here, and you can hear it.
So this is so you don't have to flex your fingers to open up a latch.
Mm-hmm.
It's electronic.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Way to go, Cadillac.
So it's a touch screen, and it's connected to a solenoid. Can we show the old solenoid?
Yeah, the old solenoid is this piece right here. And when that button is pushed, this plunger pulls in like that, and it operates a cable which pushes on two little latches to release the glove compartment.
Isn't that exciting?
Yeah, what a design.
We love it. Good news. All right, Ian, looks like you still got some work to do.
I certainly do, but I'm well into it. I've got, so this component here, this all had to come off, this box here, all because these things are intertwined with each other and connected with screws and clips and what have you, and then into these two components right here.
That's very exciting.
So that's why this mess all the way back here is disassembled to do something right up here.
Thank you very much, Ian. So there you have it, folks. In case you're wondering why it costs so much to get your Cadillac fixed or your high-end vehicle. Even some of the less expensive models are coming up with this touch, eh? It's not just Cadillac, eh, Ian?
It's not just Cadillac nowadays.
All the new cars have got all these fancy things, and they're great till they break.
Yeah, indeed they are.
Thanks for watching, guys.